Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this Abrams tank from Corgi, and the cool thing is it's in a 1/64 scale. You don't see that much tanks that are made in a 1/64 scale. You can see 2003 Operation Iraq Freedom, M1A1 Abrams tank USMC, 2nd Tank Battalion, 1st Marine Division. And it looks very nice. These were made maybe 10 years ago. I'm not 100% sure. Cool thing is, it comes with a free poster, and on the back, but before we go that, I bought it for 20 euro, and I actually bought two, and the other one I got for 10 euro. I think that's a good price. Yes, here on the back you can see the poster that's inside. Well, I hope this is the poster that's inside, because that is really cool with all those details telling you what it is. Okay, there are also other vehicles, helicopters, tanks that you can get from this set. Okay, this is the first one I got from this set. I'm still looking for these figures. I got a Humvee that looks like that. I'm going to show you that right away. So yeah, I have this tank. There's also a green version. There is Bradley, this little bird, which is also very cool, but I'm not sure if it's in 1/64. This is also a cool Humvee. Fortunately, I couldn't find it on the event. He said he sell most of it on the last event. Meh. And that's the event when I was not there. Okay, let's open this up and see how the tanks look like. Oh yeah, so here we got the poster. Oh man, that's cool. We're going to have a look at that later. First we're going to have a look at the tank, and it comes with a cool diorama piece. I like that. Okay. So how are we going to do this? I got my Leatherman right here. I think I need this side. See if this is working. And I'm really curious of how much die-cast this tank is. Okay, I'm going to do this off camera. Not going to bother you with this. So I got it from the base, and one thing I noticed is that you can see here that it has an American flag, and here it is gone. But I have another one. Guess what? No American flag. So I guess something went wrong in the factory. I don't know. Okay, let's take this off as well. Nope, don't need you. Need the scissor. This one. And that's two. Now, I have to say, this tank is really heavy. This is all made out of die-cast. This is plastic, but the body is all made out of die-cast. So that's a very good thing. Tracks can't move. Or maybe, no, you see there on top, put some light on, can't see, there are no tracks on the top. But what a beautiful tank. We can move this up and down. We can turn this around. Yep, 360 degrees. We got 2 machine guns on top. Got some bags here on the side. Here, this is also cool for the wheel, some spare parts. This, maybe some extra protection for anti-tank grenade. Okay, 1 antenna. And maybe this is an antenna here too. Some storage for maybe some ammo or other stuff. I think the ammo is inside the tank. But what a beautiful tank. I love this M1A1 Abrams. What does it say here on the side? Warriors, or something like that. Not 100% sure. Yeah, that's a very cool tank. I got some other Abrams tanks right here. I've got this very small Abrams tank. Did a review about it a long time ago. This is really cool. How big is it? Well, we got a 164 Lamborghini from Hot Wheels right here, and it is smaller than that. With all the extra armor for urban fighting. Lots of antennas here in the back. Not sure what the brand is. I bought it on AliExpress, but it's really cool. Made out of plastic. Comes almost ready out of the box. You have to glue these things here on the side and this one right here. But you can see it on the video I've made about it. Then I've got one. Oh, by the way, I'm not sure what the scale is. Probably somewhere around 144 or even smaller. This one is from Johnny Lightning, made out of diecast, but unfortunately not 164. And I was expecting from Johnny Lightning that they will make a 164 Abrams tank. Whoa! The anti-mining thing came off. Iron Horse. Some smoke grenades here on the side. 2 machine guns. No antennas. Not sure what this is here on the back. But also a really cool looking tank. Besides that, it is no 164. Okay, let's put this right here. Then I have a 172 Abrams tank. This is from the brand Easymodel. Really good price quality, made out of plastic, but the details are good. How does it look next to the Abrams tank? Well, you can see. Well, you cannot see. I have to do it like this. So you can see the difference. 172, 164. Yeah, you can buy this for affordable price on AliExpress and also eBay. Abandon. And there is also a desert version of it. Got it in the collection. Not sure if I did a review about it. But there is coming a review about all my tanks. You cannot move the tracks, but you can see the tracks are also on the top. That's realistic. Then I've got some 164 Humvees. First I'm showing you this one. This is the same, or not the same, but almost the same. This is also a Corgi model. I think it's a little bit bigger than a 164. Metal body, plastic base, some weathered effects. Do not like the wheels. Looks a little bit childish. We got an opening part right here, or an opening part. It's just open. You can't close it. And that's cool because you can put a figure inside. Let's see if it is bigger than 164. Yeah, yes it is. Well, not much. I have to say, it comes very close to 164. The one on the right is made by the brand Master. Did a review about it on my YouTube channel. This is the weathered version. Woodland camo. Side mirrors. Here we got the snorkel. Looks pretty good, right? Lens headlights, well detailed. Authentic wheels, rims, metal body, metal base. Yeah, you see Master Hammer H1. And also suspension, but it's not working. I think it's pretty cool that they done that. Here the exhaust. Also the suspension in the front, nice. The red accent, by the way. And then, how does it look like next to the tank? Well, like this. There you can see how big an Abrams tank is. This is the one from Johnny Lightning. Now you would expect this one is in 164. Why not the tank in 164? That would be a cool set, but Johnny Lightning says no. Also no side mirrors, but it's a pretty cool and awesome looking Humvee. Here with the extra armor on top for the machine gun. Much better protection. Opening parts, nope. These are here on the side, the windows are open. So no windows on the side. That's also a little bit of a downside, not realistic. We do have a metal base with lots of details. I like that. So yeah, pretty cool looking Humvee from Johnny Lightning. And I made a couple of more. Oh, I believe this is the green version. I was saying that it was the Abrams tank. No, this is US Army, but it won't say that it is from Iraq. I think this is the green version. Anyways, it looks very cool. Okay, poster. Got the poster right here. Special offer. The world's leading publisher of illustrated military history books. Here we got the Tactical Strike. Oh, they even made a F-14 Tomcat, US Navy. That is cool. Yes, that one is also here on the package. No skill. They won't say the skill. I don't like that. And here we got the Apache. And the figures. And they made a cool diorama. Build a battlefield diorama with the latest modern military vehicles. Then the poster. Okay, I think I have to do it like this. Okay, here we have some information. Freeze that frame if you want to read it. Freeze the frame. Same for this side. Freeze the frame. We can open it up. So, hey. Whoa. Hey. This is the most awesome thing from this Corgi tank. Look at this. Wow. That is totally awesome. I love this poster. I'm going to ask my girlfriend if I can hang this in the bathroom. Sweet. Ammo here in the back. Machine gun. Here all the crew for, well, you can read it yourself, right? Wow, love this poster. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And definitely if you like tanks, because I like tanks too. And I'm going to do more tank reviews in the future. Very glad with this Abrams tank in a 1/64 scale. Going to make a nice photo with it for my Instagram. You have Instagram? Yes, I do. Follow me on Instagram, Diecast Dude YouTube. Have a very nice day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.